Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to this video. In today's video, we would like to use a while loop to count down from number 3 in 1 minute lesson. So here is my variable called count. The number 3 is assigned to it. We would like to define a while loop to count down from 3 to 1. So this is my while loop as long as it is going to continue, as long as the count variable is larger or greater than 0. So in each iteration, we are going to print that the value of the count variable, and also we are going to reduce 1 unit from its value, meaning that, for example, we start this loop with number 3. So 3 is greater than 0. Yes. So we print number 3. So 3 is being printed here. And now we are reducing 1 unit. So it will be 2 in the next iteration. 2 greater than 0. Yes. Print 2. Then reduce by 1 unit. So 1 greater than 0. Yes. Print 1 and reduce by 1 unit. 0 is greater than 0. No. So countdown completed. We are having it here in the output.